I'm Gurleen ma'am, your mathematics teacher from DPS Laboratory. In our previous lecture, we have completed chapter number 8, part 2 from page number 117 to 123. Today we are going to start part 3. So let's begin. So students, now open your Maths NCERT book, page number 123. The topic name is Lines Between the States. And we have already done the topic the sea in our previous lecture part 2. So now let us start. Boy said, I travelled from Delhi to Haryana, but I never saw any lines on the ground. How do we see them on the map? Then girl replied, no, there are no lines painted on the ground. The map shows us where one state ends and next begins. Then boy replied, oh yes, we paid the toll tax at the border. I saw a big board saying, welcome to Haryana. Students, now open page number 124. The topic name is distances between towns. So this picture you can see in your book. So now let us solve the questions given in your book through screen. So students, you can see map 6 given in your book, page number 124. So these are 5 towns: Idlipur, Barfinagar, Dhoklabad, Bhelpur, Cholaghat. So now they are saying find out how many centimeter away is Idlipur from Barfinagar on the map. So here map 6 is given. So what is the distance between Idlipur and Barfinagar? So how you will calculate on the map in centimeter? You will take your scale and here you can see yellow dots. So put your scale in Idlipur till Barfinagar. So the distance is 5 centimeter. With the help of scale, you will calculate it is 5 centimeter. So how you will write the answer? The distance between Idlipur and Barfinagar is 5 centimeter on the map. Question number 2. How many kilometers will you have to travel if you go from Idlipur to Barfinagar? So students, here the scale is given 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. So distance between Idlipur and Barfinagar on the map it was 5 centimeter. So actual distance between Idlipur and Barfinagar is equal to 5 into 10, that is 50 kilometer. Thus, we have to travel 50 kilometer to go from Idlipur to Barfinagar. How we have done? If 1 centimeter is 10 kilometer, so 5 centimeter will be 5 into 10, that is 50 kilometer. Question number 3. There is a place called Thukpagram midway between Idlipur and Barfinagar. Mark it with T. So students, how you will find out midway? Right now we have calculated the distance between Idlipur and Barfinagar on map is 5 centimeter. Now divide 5 by 2, it will be 2.5. So just middle right here T, it is 2.5. Question number 4. A town called Jalebipur is 35 kilometers away from both Cholaghat and Dhoklabad. Where do you think it can be? Mark J for it. So here you can see Cholaghat and here it is Dhoklabad. And a town called Jalebipur is 35 kilometers away from both Cholaghat and Dhoklabad. So just double 35, it will be 70 kilometers. So here if we convert 70 kilometers into centimeter, just divide by 10, it will be 7 centimeter. So just calculate in center, here it is J. Next topic, Ashi's school. Ashi's school look like this from the top. Use the squares to find out. So here you can see map 7. Ashi's school look like this from the top. And the scale is given 2 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. So here it is assembly ground, hall, main gate, playground and office. and these are the classrooms. Question number 1. How many times bigger is the area of the assembly ground than that of the office? So, I have already explained you area chapter number 11. If you missed that part, you can check the description box. The link is there. I explained you how to find out area using squares. So, now let us find out area of assembly ground. So, first count how many rows are there. 1, 2, 3. So 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 columns. So total how many squares are there? 15. So the area is 15 meter square. So now let us find out area of office. 1, 2, 3. 3 meter square. So now they are asking how many times. Times means into. Office is 3 meter square. Assembly ground is 15 meter square. So it is 5 times bigger than that of office. So write the answer. The area of assembly ground is 5 times bigger than that of office. Question number 2. How much is the length and width of each classroom? So students, how to find out length and width? So here you can see classroom. So here scale is given 2 centimeters equal to 5 meter. So the length is 5 meter as 2 centimeters equal to 5 meter. And the width is 4 meter. Question number 3. All the classrooms in Ashi school look like this. Look carefully and answer. Which of these is exactly opposite to the blackboard? Almirah, window, notice board, display board. So which is opposite to the blackboard? Display board is exactly opposite to the blackboard. B part. Can a child sitting in class 3rd A see the playground? So students, here you can see class 3rd A and here it is playground. Now you all tell me, a child sitting in 3rd A can see the playground? No, a child sitting in 3rd A cannot see the playground. So let us start with worksheets. Question number 1. Refer to the map shown below and complete the given table. So here you can see map is drawn and a table is given. So now let us write the answer. From Delhi to Mumbai, distance on map is 1.6 inch and the actual distance approximation is given 1.6 into 700, that is 1120 kilometer. Next, Delhi to Kolkata, 1.9 inch, 1.9 into 700, 1330 kilometer. Next, Mumbai to Chennai, 1.8 inch, 1.8 into 700 is equal to 1260 kilometer. Next, Mumbai to Kolkata, 2.8 inch, 2.8 into 700 is equal to 1960 kilometer. Next, Chennai to Kolkata, 2.3 inch, 2.3 into 700 is equal to 1610 kilometer. Now A part. Which metropolitan city is farthest from our capital city? So, answer is Chennai. B part. Which two metropolitan cities are nearer to each other? Delhi and Mumbai. Question number 2. Fill up the names of all directions. One has been done for you. So here you can see north. And here is east, then here south, then here west. And here it is northeast, then southeast, then southwest, then northwest. Question number 3. Mark the directions on the map and write them in words. So here you can see the map. And A part is Garuda Mall to Cool Point. So here you can see Garuda Mall and here we have to reach. So how we will go? First move towards south from Garuda Mall along Krishna Marg. Then take first left along Vinay Marg. Then move straight and take right in the second cross to reach Cool Point on the left side of the road. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. So chapter number 8, part 3 completed. Practice these questions at home. Now we'll continue in our next class. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.